What if you could use AI tools to start making money online, even if you have no experience? Right now, AI is changing the way people work, create, and earn. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech expert to take advantage of it. Beginners all over the world are already using AI tools to build income streams from scratch. In this video, I'll show you simple and realistic ways to make money with AI tools, step by step. Let's get started. First, AI content creation. Tools like AI writers can help you create blog posts, social media captions, or even scripts in minutes. You can use these skills to offer freelance services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Businesses are always looking for content, and AI helps you deliver faster. Second, AI video creation. You can create YouTube videos without showing your face or using your own voice. AI tools can generate scripts, voiceovers, and even visuals. Once your videos start getting views, you can earn money from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Third, selling AI-generated products. You can create ebooks, digital guides, or templates using AI tools and sell them online. The best part is that you only create the product once and it can generate income over time. Fourth, AI graphic design. Even if you don't know how to design, AI tools can help you create logos, thumbnails, and social media posts. You can sell these services to small businesses or content creators. Fifth, chatbot services. Many businesses want automated replies for their websites or social media. You can use AI tools to build simple chatbots and offer this as a service. Now here's something important. AI is just a tool. It won't make money for you automatically. You still need to take action, learn basic skills, and stay consistent. Start with one method. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus, improve, and build your system step by step. Also, always provide value. Whether you're creating content, products, or services, your goal should be to help people solve problems. That's how you build trust and grow your income. AI is one of the biggest opportunities right now. The earlier you start, the better your chances of success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple and practical ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.